Oh, hi, it's Samir again today. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how to do a California patch. What is a California patch? If you have a drywall damage, a hole on the drywall, and I'll show you that how it can be fixed with the minimum cost and with the professional way and with a small time, right? Okay, we had a damaged wall here. You can see that hole. I think that hole is a pretty much damage. You can take that out, and I can show you that is coming out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this a square, so that is nice and a square, about 4" by 4" approximately. I'm going to make this kind of square. So when I do the square, okay, this side, make sure nothing in the back side. That looks good. Okay, I got a piece of drywall here, and I'm just gonna put this piece. This piece is a little bit bigger than a hole. You can take kind of exact measurement. So I will just make a line is here. Just make a little bit smaller, like that. And then I'll come this side, and then I will make a little bit smaller like this, and smaller like this. Okay, and then I will kind of use just a hand skill to make a line, and this way line, and like this way, and then kind of this way. Okay, so basically we need this part. That's a good part, and those I'm gonna do a California. Okay, I'm gonna make a kind of cut from here, and it's gonna peel off, and then I make another one. Just make sure I put on the line 2, and then I'll do one here. Okay, and I'll just basically peel off. Peel off. So I got this piece. I'll just double check it here. It's perfect. Okay. I'm gonna put some mud. Okay. Just put a mud to this corner, and I'll do some mud inside. Inside, I'll take a little more mud, turn the mud around. Okay, and then I will do some mud here. Okay, and I'm just gonna in that. Just gonna make a level. 2, 1, 2, 3, and wipe it off. Excess. Just gonna wipe off the excess. Okay. Okay, once you make sure that if the patch is properly snugged and tight, then you take more mud and try to gently spread it around. I'm just spreading around the corners, the edges, and make sure these corners will level. and I can take more mud a bit, and I'll just more mud there, and this way it will kind of make a level. Okay, to make the patch faster dry, I will use a dryer, the normal dryer from house, and I'll show you which dryer I'm getting. And this is the dryer that I got from home, and it's just saddle like this, and that will make a faster dry. So now it took me about 10 to 15 minutes, actually it's 30 minutes, right, to get it a solid dry. And now it's pretty much dry, and I'm going to sand it with the, I have a sand block that I'm going to sand it, quick sand, to get a good finish. So make sure sand the edges nicely, like that. Okay, now I sand it, but if you feel that there is still some mud need to be sand, you can do sand, and you can do another skim coat on it, let it dry, and then you can sand, and you will get very good finish like. And I hope that California Patch helps you. If you have any question, comments, or any information, just drop on the comment box, and I will come back with another video. Thank you very much, and bye.